Are annoying pop-up ads ruining your browsing experience? In this video, I'll show you simple and safe ways to block ads, stop redirects, and improve your browser experience on Android. Let's get started. First, let's block pop-up ads directly inside Chrome. Open Google Chrome. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Now tap Site Settings. Scroll down and tap Pop-ups and Redirects. Make sure this option is turned off. Now go back and tap Ads. Turn on Block Intrusive Ads. This helps stop websites from showing annoying pop-ups and redirects. Next, let's improve browser protection. Go back to Chrome settings, tap Privacy and Security. Then tap Safe Browsing. Choose either Standard Protection or Enhanced Protection. This helps Chrome warn you about dangerous websites and harmful ads. Sometimes ads appear because websites were allowed to send notifications. To fix this, stay inside Site Settings and tap Notifications. Here you'll see websites that can send notifications to your phone. If you see suspicious websites, tap on them and press Clear and Reset or Block. This can stop fake virus warnings and random advertisement notifications. You can also try browsers that already include ad blocking features. Some good options are Brave Browser, Opera, or Firefox with extensions. These browsers focus more on privacy and reducing ads. And that's how you can reduce annoying ads and improve your browsing experience. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.